This short video will emphasize the need to pay attention to the multiple parts that are needed for this assignment and for other assignments for this course. So as a general statement, many of the assignments for this course will have multiple things that need to be done and multiple things correspondingly that will need to be submitted. Now, it's very important that you closely read the directions so that you are making sure that you complete each of the different parts. So for this, I'll call it the first assignment. It's really our first assignment sheet. We see two things that are numbered. So we want to make sure that we understand both of those. So let's first look at the first one. Follow the directions within this worksheet, reading challenges and strategies that overcome those challenges. So you would open that document, try to come up with 3 things for each column, and then do both the reading challenges, which is on page 1, and the writing challenges, which is on page 2. So even in that, you have to pay attention to sort of multiple points in the directions. For one, you're going to need to do both the reading and the writing challenges. So it's on different pages. So you have to, when you open that, you'll need to scroll down. And you want to have 3 things for each one. So that's part 1. Part 2 is you're going to review the chart and then reflect on your reading practices. Are you an active or passive reader? Does it change depending on the situation? Connect your experience with the descriptions presented in the chart. And then I give a kind of a general overview. I'm looking for about 75 to 150 words here. Not really concerned with grammar, looking more for your thoughts here. So this is another aspect of the assignment. So make sure after you quote unquote complete the assignment, you go back to the directions and say, did I do all the parts that were necessary? And did I submit all of them? Because it's possible that someone might complete them and then neglect to actually submit all the parts. So did I complete them and did I submit them? And for this one, there's part 1, which is the reading challenges, which itself has some directions that you need to follow. And then there is a part 2, which is you could call it a paragraph if you want. Now, when you submit these things, you can do it in multiple ways, depending on how you complete each assignment. But basically, I would really want both parts, or for other assignments, all parts, to be part of the same assignment submission. Now, for one assignment submission, you can do multiple files. So you can do multiple attachments. So for instance, for this one, if you wanted to have one attachment with a Word document that included the challenges and the strategies, and then another document with a paragraph, you could do that. If you wanted to somehow put them on one document, you could do that. If you wanted to do the reading challenges one by hand and take a picture and upload that, and then do the other one typed out and upload that file, that's fine. My main point is pay attention to the directions and make sure to complete all parts of the assignment and make sure to submit all parts of the assignment for this particular assignment, but for all of them going forward. Because as I said, many or most of the assignments for this course will have multiple parts, and it's important that you pay close attention to what those are.